Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fluency Podcast. Today, I'm here with Laura. Hi, Laura. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm doing well, thank you. I feel relaxed and ready to talk. How are you?
I'm doing well, too. It's nice to talk with you today.
Yes, it's really nice. I like having calm conversations like this.
How is your day going so far?
It's going well. It's a normal day, but a good one. I'm not stressed today.
That's good to hear. Did you have a busy morning?
Not really. My morning was pretty calm. I had enough time to get ready.
What did you do this morning?
I woke up around 7. I stayed in bed for a few minutes. Then I got up and started my day.
Do you usually wake up at that time?
Yes, on weekdays I wake up around 7. On weekends I wake up a little later.
Are you a morning person?
Not really. I need some time to feel awake. Coffee helps me a lot.
I understand that. What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and coffee. It was simple, but it was enough for me. Sometimes I also eat fruit.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Yes, almost always. When I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired later.
That makes sense. After breakfast, what do you usually do?
After breakfast, I get dressed. Then I check my phone quickly. After that, I leave the house.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I do. I like calm music in the morning. It helps me feel relaxed.
How do you usually get around?
I usually take the bus. It's easy and not very expensive.
Is it crowded?
Sometimes it is crowded, especially in the morning. Other times it's quiet.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music or look outside. Sometimes I think about my day.
Let's talk about where you live.
Okay,
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's not very big, but it's comfortable.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. I feel comfortable and safe there.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. We spend time together every day.
What do you usually do together?
We talk about our day. Sometimes we watch TV together. We also eat dinner together.
That's nice. Let's talk about work and study.
Sure.
Are you working right now?
Yes, I work part-time. I work a few hours a day.
What do you do?
I work in a cafe. I help customers and make coffee.
Do you like working there?
Yes, I like it. The people are friendly and the work is active.
Is it busy? Sometimes it is busy, especially on weekends. During the week, it's more relaxed. Are you also studying?
Yes, I'm studying English. I study a little every day.
What do you usually study?
I study new words and simple conversations. I also listen to English a lot.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I try to practice speaking. I talk with people or repeat sentences.
How do you feel about your English now?
I feel better than before. I'm still learning, but I feel more confident.
That's great to hear. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually study or rest. Sometimes I go for a short walk.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I do. When that happens, I take a short break.
And in the evening?
In the evening, I relax more. I like calm activities at night.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or listen to music. Sometimes I read a little.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes I cook. Other times my family cooks.
What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food. Pasta, rice, and pizza are my favorites.
Let's talk about weekends.
Okay.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I rest more. I also meet friends or spend time with family.
Do you like staying home or going out?
I like both. It depends on how I feel.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. I don't travel often, but I enjoy it.
Where do you like to go?
I like the beach. I like the sound of the sea.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Sure.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like walking and listening to music. These things help me relax.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max, and he's very friendly.
Do you walk with him?
Yes, every day. Walking with him makes me happy.
Before we finish, one last question.
Okay.
Do you enjoy practicing English like this?
Yes, I really enjoy it. It feels natural and not stressful.
That's great to hear. Thank you for listening today. I hope this conversation helped you. See you next time on Fluency Podcast.